Near and clear. Mastering spatial relations in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of spatial relations, focusing on one of the most fundamental concepts: near. Understanding and properly using this term will enable you to describe how close objects or people are to each other, making your conversations more precise and clear. In English, near is a word we use to indicate proximity or closeness between two objects or persons. It's a versatile word, meaning it can be used in several different contexts. For example, it can be used in a literal sense, as in, the park is near my house, or in a more metaphorical sense, as in, her birthday is near. Near can be used as an adjective, adverb, or preposition. Each usage slightly changes the meaning, but the central theme of proximity stays the same. 1. As an adjective, the near side of the building is painted red. Here, near describes which side of the building we are talking about. 2. As an adverb, he lives near. In this case, near describes where he lives in relation to the speaker. 3. As a preposition, the library is near the school. Here, near shows the location of the library in relation to the school. In English, close to is often used interchangeably with near. Both terms essentially mean the same thing, indicating that one thing is not far away from another. However, close to might suggest a slightly closer proximity than near. For instance, I live close to the bakery might suggest a shorter distance than I live near the bakery. But remember, this difference is subtle and often depends on context. Near is also used in many idioms and phrases. Here are some common ones. 1. Near future, meaning something will happen soon. 2. Near and dear, meaning something or someone very important to you. 3. Near miss, referring to narrowly avoiding an accident or disaster. 4. Nearsighted, a condition where one can see things clearly only if they are close. That wraps up our exploration of the word near in English. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new concept in language learning. Try to use near in your everyday conversations and you'll soon find yourself navigating spatial relations with ease. We hope this video was helpful. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for our next lesson. Happy learning!